Hi, welcome to the Canvas video guide. Today, I'll walk you through how to log in and navigate Canvas, the new learning management system at NUS. The first thing you'll need to do is to open up your preferred web browser and visit the Canvas website at canvas.nus.edu.sg. You'll be directed to a login page where you can log in using your NUSNet ID without domain. After clicking Next, enter your password. When you're ready, click Login. The dashboard is the first thing you see when you log into Canvas. The dashboard helps you see what is happening in all of your current courses. On the right side, you will see any work you need to complete, feedback, grades you have received, and any upcoming events. The global navigation menu is located on the left side of every page in Canvas. The global navigation links provide quick access to frequently used Canvas features. You can return to your dashboard at any time by clicking the dashboard link on the global navigation menu. The first thing on the global navigation menu is where you'll find your account settings. In here, you can upload your profile picture and adjust your notification preferences. Canvas allows you to customize how you receive notifications from all of your courses. It's important that you spend time reviewing your notification preferences, and in particular, make sure you have announcements turned on. This ensures you receive any information from your teachers straight away. Canvas also allows you to change your notification preferences for other events such as assignment due dates and new discussions. For more information on setting up your notifications, see the links to the guide below the video. When you're ready, select your dashboard and click into the course you want to view. You will be led to the home page, which will be the first thing you see in your course. Next up, you have Announcements, where you can view any messages from your instructors. After that is your modules. In a course, all your learning materials will be located in modules. Each module can contain files, discussions, assignments, and other resources. Clicking on links under each content section will lead you to the corresponding resource. Next, the Pages section allows you to view all pages that your instructor has created, regardless of which module they fall under. In Canvas, all your assessment information can be found in the Assignment section. By clicking into the Assignment section, you get a list of all your assignment tasks for the course. When you click on the name of an assignment, it will lead you to the corresponding item. You can also view your quizzes and surveys in the Quizzes section. The Grades section is where you can see your grades and view your feedback. It is also where you can set hypothetical scores for an assignment to approximate your grade. Your instructor might upload resources for your course, which can be found under the Files section. Videos can be found under the Videos section. The Zoom section contains meeting details for video conferencing. You can also find cloud recordings of the meetings in this section. Lastly, Canvas has many features that allow for better collaboration amongst your coursemates. First, we have Discussions, where you can easily browse through threads and people's replies on various topics. The Chat section further provides a quick messaging service amongst the people in the course. Canvas also provides the ability to start collaborations, where you can link web-based tools such as Google Docs to work on documents together with your coursemates. You can click on the People section and then on the Groups tab to view groups in your course. This can help to facilitate discussions or to better work together on group projects. On this page, you will also be able to join and leave groups. Once you have joined the group, you can access it through this page or through the Groups link on the global navigation menu. This will lead you to your group's own page, where you'll be able to create pages, engage in discussions, upload files, start collaborations, and many more. The last two features that I'll be covering are the Calendar and the Inbox. The Calendar allows you to easily keep track of your events and deadlines across all your courses. For more information on how to add events, do take a look at our student guide, which is linked below the video. Canvas provides an inbox where you can message other users. Here, you can quickly find whoever you want to message by selecting the course and then looking through the address book. If you ever run into any trouble, you can always reach out to Canvas support. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can also find all your help options in the Help link in the global navigation menu, including the student guide. Canvas also has a student app for iOS and Android, which you can download for free. This will give you access to Canvas whenever you need it and wherever you are. Good luck and welcome to Canvas.